Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable secure boot on your Asus motherboard. Now, first thing that we have to do is enter the BIOS of our motherboard, and for that we need to restart our computer. So just go to Start and then Restart. Then wait for the screen to go black. And as soon as the screen goes black, you need to keep pressing the delete key from your keyboard in order to enter the BIOS. So just keep pressing the delete key. And as you can see, we are inside the BIOS of our Asus motherboard. Now in here, if you are in easy mode, then all you have to do is just go to the bottom right and then click on advanced mode. After that, from the top, go to the boot tab. And in here, first we need to disable the CSM support. So just click here on enabled and then click on disabled. Then go to the security tab and scroll down to the bottom. And here you can see the secure boot option. Just click here. Now the last option, which is secure boot control, click on disabled and then click on enabled. And we are basically done. After that, all you need to do is just go to save and exit and then click on save changes and exit. From here, click on OK and we are done. Now once your computer restarts, secure boot will be enabled on your Asus motherboard. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.